बच्चों, सभी का स्वागत है बच्चों। आज हम पढ़ाई करेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट ABCD, काउंटिंग नंबर 1 to 3 and shapes name. Let's know colors name. Blue color, purple color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, brown color, black color, red color, white color, sky blue color, green color, black color. A for alligator, A for alligator. Green color. B for balloon, B for balloon. Red color. C for cake, C for cake. Blue color. D for donuts, D for donuts. Brown color. E for eagle, E for eagle. Purple color. Number 1. 2, number 2. 3, number 3. 4, number 4. 5, number 5. Star, circle, heart, pentagon, triangle. Orange color. Star. Light green color. Circle. Yellow color. Heart shape. Sky blue color. Pentagon. Pink color. Triangle. A for alligator. B for balloon. C for cake. D for donuts. E for eagle. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Star, circle, heart, pentagon, triangle. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.